Ready.
Okay, here's everything we need to control the 5 TVs and the Sonos system in the shop. The main universal remote, the Logitech, is by the door. This remote will have 3 activities, Apple TV 1, 2, and 3. So Apple TV 1 is the Apple TV box, number 1, on all 5 TVs. So hitting activities down here, this will pop up and it will start. Give it about 30 seconds for all 5 TVs to turn on, and they will all be on the same input. So this is our main TV. Volume for the room is controlled through the Logitech or the Apple TV box remote. So volume here, volume here. No matter if you're on Apple TV 1, 2, or 3, volume will always be dictated by what's on that TV. Apple TV 2 divides the 5 TVs, so the middle TV and the large TV are then switched to Apple TV 2. Apple TV 2 and 3 do not have volume. So whatever you're wanting to have volume on, you need on the main TV. So now I'm able to, with the Apple TV 2 remote, control these TVs. Now, the third scenario, activities gets us back to this screen. Apple TV 3. We'll turn on the third TV to Apple TV 3. This is for when you want to watch 3 different programs at once. There we go. So now, Apple TV 2 and 3 use these remotes. I can control this one, put it on whatever I want here, etc. So Apple TV 1, 2, 3. Now, there are speakers in here. There are 2 zones of audio, inside, outside. To group the 2, to add in the outside, this comes from the Sonos app. On your phone, download it, be connected to Wi-Fi. I'm going to come down here and see Shop Inside, and we're going to group it with the outside. Most people are familiar with Sonos. It's the most widely used audio system. So I'm going to select Shop Outside to mirror the audio inside. Apply. So now I have volume inside, outside. Nothing's playing right now, so if I select something, volume will be played on the interior, exterior speakers. Your YouTube TV is going to be the cable provided to you. So whatever you want to watch will be on there. If you have any other apps that you want to log into, do that, but log out before you leave, or people will be able to access your Netflix or whatever. So again, Apple TV 1, 2, 3. Back to Apple TV 1, all 5 TVs will be controlled. The main TV does volume for the room.